Don't touch Mr. Moneybags. Don't touch the couch. No, no. Come on. Look at that. Caleb, 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 Caleb. Look at me. Look at me. I have to capture this moment. I have to capture this moment. Look at those hands. Covered in chocolate. You are spreading chocolate everywhere. Come on. Let's go clean you up.